Experiencing the unable to verify app error on your iPhone after a recent update? In this video, I will guide you through 4 steps to resolve this issue. Let's begin. Solution 1. Switch your network. First, ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection or strong cellular signal. If using Wi-Fi, consider switching to mobile data. If on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi. This can help resolve the unable to verify app error. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap iPhone storage, find out that app you are unable to verify app issues, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Log out of Apple ID. Open the App Store. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap Sign In. Now try to log in with that Apple ID that you used to download and try to remember, and after that enter your Apple ID. After that your problem will be solved. Solution 4. Delete and reinstall the app. If the error persists with a specific app, attempt to resolve it by deleting and reinstalling the app. Hold the app icon until it jiggles, then tap the X to delete. Reinstall the app from the App Store to address the unable to verify app issue by following these steps. You should be able to resolve the unable to verify app error on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.